Om Para Brahmaya Vidmahi Shiva Tattvaya Dhimahi Tano Mohan Prachodayat. Om Para Brahmaya Vidmahi Shiva Tattvaya Dhimahi Tano Mohan Prachodayat. Om Para Brahmaya Vidmahi Shiva Tattvaya Dhimahi Tanno Mohan Prachodayat. Om Gam Ganeshaya Namah. Om Trayambakam Yajamahi Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Purvarukamiva Vandanan Mrityormukshiyamamritat. Om Trayambakam Yajamahi Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Purvarukamiva Vandanan Mrityormukshiyamamritat. Om Trayambakam Yajamahi Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityormukshiyamamritat. Om Harim Baglamukhi Hum Fat Swaha. Om Harim Baglamukhi Hum Fat Swaha. Om Harim Baglamukhi Hum Fat Swaha. Om Shri Gurudev Datta. Om Shri Gurudev Datta. Om Shri Gurudev Datta. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Para Brahmane Namah. Om Para Brahmane Namah. Om Para Brahmane Namah. Om Para Brahmaya Vidmahi Shiva Tattvaya Dhimahi Tanno Mohan Prachodayat. Jai Mohanji. Today I'll be reading chapter 37 from the Guru Charitra. Dharma of a Brahmin. Shri Guru explained the customs that Brahmins should follow. He said, you should use Krishna Jina in the house and keep the house clean. The prayer room should be clean and decorated with rangoli. Meditate in silence and worship God. Wooden and stone idols may be worshipped, as they are forms and abodes of God. Sit in a good, clean seat and do pranayama. Worship God with flowers and with faith worship Vishnu with Tulsi, and as he loves Tulsi. Worship Shiva with Bel Patra. Ganapati loves Durva. In the afternoon, feed guests and visitors, whether touchable or untouchable. Lotus leaf and banana leaf are good to use for eating. You must not eat in lead or copper plates. Bronze plates are the best for eating. Eat sweet dishes first. Rice should be eaten first. It will not get digested. Eating leftover food is forbidden. After food, you may have tambula, bitter leaf, and nut with lime. There is no harm if one eats food with ghee or oil. After food, you should study the Vedas. One must not sleep on the cremation ground, in a dilapidated temple, on a riverbank, near an anthill or a crossroad. Parashara Rishi has laid down these customs of Dharma. There is no difficulty for him who practices these customs as directed by the scriptures. He is revered even by the gods. Kamadhenu will come to his house. Lakshmi will live in such a house forever. Such a person will become a Brahmajnani. The Brahmin was happy to receive this guidance on Dharma and said, Oh, ocean of mercy, you have taken this incarnation to redeem devotees. You are like the lamp of knowledge, and you have removed the darkness. Saying so, the Brahmin bowed at Shri Guru's lotus feet. Guru blessed him. This is the story of Guru Charitra. Whoever listens to it will gain great knowledge. It is a source of light for the ignorance. This concludes chapter 37. Jai Mohanji. Om Para Brahmaya Vedmahi Shiva Tatpaya Dhimahi Tano Mohan Prachodayat. Please join us tomorrow for the next chapters.
Thank you so much for joining us. Please do subscribe to the page as well as click on the bell icon so you can receive notifications once we upload the next chapters. Jai Mohanji.